And a lot of people come to us to learn JavaScript is you're kind of learning in this framework agnostic way. My name is Amanda. I'm a developer advocate at Wix. I've been with the company for about 2 years. In my past life was a web developer, worked on a government team, and then a small firm in Baltimore. I also like to hang out in the open source community and maintain one of the projects in the EddieHub community as well. So I'm going to talk a little bit about low-code platforms in general and how my own experience learning to be a developer on the job kind of gave me that upfront stigma about using them, and how over the course of dealing with different clients and dealing with different projects, I kind of changed my mind about how developers should look at them. And now working for Wix, a company that has a developer product that can be used as a low-code platform along with our other developer offerings, is kind of a workflow that a developer could consider making these products one of their toolkits in how to approach them, and not be so like, I don't want to touch that at all. It's not coding from scratch. Like how to bring it into your own toolkit and assess them from a developer's perspective. For a junior, so it's JavaScript, right? Everything's JavaScript. And actually what's really interesting about coding in the Wix website ecosystem, if you're using our kind of full low-code suite, is it's really a flavor of vanilla JavaScript. So what would be really interesting for a junior, and a lot of people come to us to learn JavaScript, is you're kind of learning in this framework agnostic way. So you're getting the basics, and then you're also being able to build full applications right away and focus on the JavaScript fundamentals, the JavaScript knowledge, and then you can also move on and expand into frameworks from there, instead of perhaps jumping into a framework first and then not really learning the underlying JavaScript, which you don't have to go one way or the other. It's, work what works for you. But I feel like it's a little approachable and less scary in some ways, because you're just very hyper-focused on the JavaScript fundamentals to be able to get a working application going. For senior developers, I think what's a little more interesting than the low-code offering, while it might be interesting for some projects, is we have a headless offering. And so that allows them to really work in probably the stack that they have developed an expertise in, but then use our business solutions such as e-commerce, a CMS, our restaurants, or whatever your business solutions are. But then you can still work and say, make your React Next app, or whatever the framework of choice you're in. So I think that's going to be a really attractive offering to somebody who's a senior level developer, but still looking to work in a composable way and not necessarily build everything from scratch. For a CTO, you're going to be looking at this from your business perspective. This is going to allow your developer teams flexibility to choose what part of the offering actually makes sense for what they're working on, and then allow them to hopefully be happier and move quickly, because again, you're deciding which parts you're going to compose and take out of the box solutions that are going to work really well for you, and which parts you want to code from scratch and create a bespoke or really interesting logic, whatever the solution is that's really bespoke to your business. You can still code from scratch, and it makes everybody happy. It's faster, it's more cost effective, but then your developers still get to use the parts of the system that they're more attracted to, hopefully. On Instagram, you'll find me at HeyAmandaM. I'm also on LinkedIn and GitHub at Amanda Martin Dev. And I'm pretty Googleable. You can find me around.
Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn more, click on one of these. Yeah, here we go. You clicked, right? Okay.